Dr. Dolittle has a lot of animals. Some animals, like his dog, live inside his house. Some animals, like his duck, live outside. Today is a sunny day, so all the animals are outside. Dr. Dolittle needs to divide them into two groups, animals that live inside and animals that live outside. Let's see what he does. First, Dr. Dolittle puts all the animals in one big group. We can also call this group of animals a whole set. Let's watch as Dr. Dolittle separates the animals. He will make two groups, animals that live inside and animals that live outside. Let's help Dr. Dolittle separate the animals. The first animal is a dog. The dog lives inside. Let's move the dog to the inside group. The next animal is a duck. The duck lives outside. Let's move the duck to the outside group. Next, we have the parrot. Does the parrot live inside or outside? That's right. The parrot lives inside. Next, we have the cow. Does the cow live inside or outside? That's right. The cow lives outside. Next, we have a sheep. Does he live inside or outside? That's right. The sheep lives outside. Next, we have the monkey. Does Dr. Dolittle's monkey live inside or outside? That's right. Most monkeys live outside, but Dr. Dolittle's monkey lives inside the house. Next, we have the goldfish. Does the goldfish live inside or outside? That's right. The goldfish lives outside in the pond with the duck. Our last animal is the mouse. Does the mouse live inside or outside? That's right. The mouse lives inside. The mouse lives in the piano. Our animals started off in one whole group or set. We separated them into two groups. We have the animals that live inside and the animals that live outside. Later in the day, Dr. Dolittle decided to bake pies. He wants to share his pies with some of the animals. He wants to share a pie with the dog, the mouse, and the monkey. He will divide the pie. He will use fractions to help him divide and share the pie. First, Dr. Dolittle cuts the pie down the middle. Now there are two pieces of pie. If Dr. Dolittle eats one piece, he will be eating 1/2 of the pie. 1/2 is a fraction. We write the fraction like this. A fraction has two parts. The bottom number tells us the total number of pieces or groups. There are 2 pieces of pie, so the bottom number is 2. The top number is the piece of pie or groups we want to talk about. In this case, Dr. Dolittle is eating 1 piece of pie, so we write a 1. Dr. Dolittle will be eating 1/2 of the pie. That's a lot of pie for one person. Next, Dr. Dolittle cuts a pie 5 times. This time, there are 10 pieces of pie. If Dr. Dolittle eats one piece, he will be eating 1/10 of the pie. We write the fraction 1/10 like this. The bottom number is the total number of pieces or groups. There are 10 pieces of pie, so the bottom number is a 10. The top number is the pieces or groups we want to talk about. In this case, Dr. Dolittle is eating one piece of pie, so we write a 1. If Dr. Dolittle eats one piece of pie, he will be eating 1/10 of the pie. But these pieces are so little. If he gives one piece to the dog, one piece to the mouse, and one piece to the monkey, he will have a lot of pie left over. He decides to try cutting a pie one more time. This time, Dr. Dolittle cuts a pie 2 times. There are 4 pieces of pie. If Dr. Dolittle eats one piece, he will be eating 1/4 of the pie. We write the fraction 1/4 like this. The bottom number is the total number of pieces or groups. There are 4 pieces of pie, so the bottom number is a 4. The top number is the pieces or groups we want to talk about. In this case, Dr. Dolittle is eating one piece of pie, so we write a 1. If Dr. Dolittle eats one piece of pie, he will be eating 1/4 of the pie. That leaves 3 pieces, 1 for the dog, 1 for the mouse, and 1 for the monkey. Perfect! Dr. Dolittle did a good job of separating a whole group of animals into 2 smaller groups. Now he can keep count of who lives inside and who lives outside. He also figured out a good way to use fractions. He separated a pie into 4 pieces so that each animal could get 1/4 of the pie. I'd sure like some pie right now. How about you?